Sharing the screen, let me know once it is visible.
It's visible, ma'am.
Yeah. Where we are in the last class? So we are declaring about the variable and the constant. Constants means throughout the program, if the value is fixed, then it is called constant. If we are changing the value from one place to another place in the programming, then we are going to, oh, it is too slow to the system. Okay, it is too slow. I don't know why. So throughout the program, if the value is fixed, then we are going to create the constant. And throughout the program, the value can vary from one place to another place. Then we are going to create a variable, but both will be holding like single value. It can hold only one value. Then only we'll go for constant or variable. In that also constant means fixed. Variable means it can vary from one place to another place. Correct? And we started Z22 declarations. So this is my program. In the last class, we saw that all the variable declarations are shown. So I for integer, which is by default length is 10 characters. So you can pass the value. Initial value is a single zero, that is for integer. Then C for character, which accepts alphabets and numbers also. And it is by default one character length. If you want more, then you can give the within concept. You can say this many times I want the character. So like this, you can write the code for that. And then we have N. What is N? N for numeric. Whenever you want to enter the numbers, then we are going for numeric. So by default, it is also only one character, means only one digit can be maintained. How many digits you want, you can say that many times. And default value of numeric is 0 only if it is only numeric. But if you're saying 10 times of numeric, 5 times of numeric, like that, then if you say 5 times, 5 zeros, 10 times, 10 zeros, default values. How many times you are saying numeric, that many zeros will be taken. Then D for date, which is going to display the date. By default, the length is 8 character. If you are not passed any date, then it is going to display the 8 zeros. Then we have T. What is T? T for time. So by default, the length is 6 characters. And if you are not past the time, then it's going to take 6 zeros default value. So this is about the time. Then we have one more data type which is called packed decimal. Whenever you want to give decimal places, then you can go for packed decimal. In the table level, we have DEC for decimal. CURR also we can allow the decimals. QUN also you will have the decimals. But here in the programming part, you have only packed decimal. If you want to use it for decimals, if you want to use it for currencies, if you want to use it for quantities also, we are going to just use the packed decimal. Only one data type will be there. So packed decimal by default before dot it will be 8 characters. After that how many space means how many decimals you are saying, that many places it will take. So what is the default value for packed decimal? 0 dot how many decimals you are saying, that many zeros. That is the default value or initial value of packed decimal. Clear, ma? This is about what we learn in the last class. Any questions up to here? Let me know.
No questions, ma'am.
We'll go for the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So with this, what I finished in the data types, we learn the different data types. What is the class, ma? Any idea? 15th or 16th? Declaration 16th. So we finished this fixed length data types. I for integer, C for character, N for numeric, D for date, T for time, P for packed decimal. This is we finished. Now we have variable length. Fixed length means only if I'm taking that is the length, by default it is coming. But here variable length. Under that we have string and float. So why it is called variable length? How it is going to take, we'll see that. So before going to the string, I want to show one example for character. System is too slow. Before going to string, I'm just showing data, GV name, which is of type C character. So type C means it will take single character. If you want, what you need to do, you need to increase the width. How many times I want? My network is fast only. Why it is this much slow the system? Got disconnected also. You're able to see, right? It is very slow today. Don't know why. I'm just gone to SC38. Yes. So Z22 declarations. Go for change. I just commented that. Yes. Someone unmuted. The system is slow today. I can't do anything.
Ma'am, restart your system, ma'am.
I already restarted and joined now. This is not with my system. System is fine. See, I'm just opening, try to open that document. You can see I'm able to open that new file. If it is system issue, what happened?
Server slow. So, okay.
Yes, server slow. I can't do with the server, right? Daily, if you are facing this, no. Today only you are facing data. This missing. Data. Check your systems is slow or fast. It's
Ma'am, it's fast, ma'am.
okay. Then you share. I'll just explain.
Okay, ma'am.
I can't work like this. It is very difficult. For explaining simple thing, it is taking this much time. Yeah, please share your screen. I'll explain. Don't worry. Later, I'll discuss with them to resolve that. Are you sharing, ma? Yeah,
Sharing.
I'm able to see your screen. Yeah, share your SAP screen. Create a program SE38 T code in the command box. Enter Z declarations You can give any name. Declarations. It won't be there. You can just do that. Or if you already have the program, you can do Z declarations. Okay, go to the end. Just type data. Increase the size. In the mouse pad, you can increase the size, or mouse pad you can, yes. Scroll down. Data, gvnum, in the brackets give 10. So it should not have any gap between gvnum and the brackets. Type, space type. Yeah, type C. So what is the meaning of that? I want 10 times of type C, full stop, period. So what is the meaning of this line? I want num, which is of 10 characters, 10 times of C. Now num equal to num space equal to, in quotations, give ssn ssn space it, full stop. Write num. Write num. Yeah, activate it and display this. Yeah, what you got? New SSN IT. You got whatever you given. Correct? Come back. So after IT, give the technologies in the quotation. After IT, give space technologies. Yeah, activate it and run the program. How much it came, ma? What is the output we got?
Only 10 characters.
Only 10 characters. Because you fixed it. I want 10 times of type C. So even though you given more, it is not showing all, it is truncating. How much is visible means I'm saying 10 characters, it can show only 10 characters. Even though you given 25 characters or whatever it is, it will be visible of 10 characters. If I want a full, what I need to do? I need to go back to the program, go back. Yeah, give that as 25 times of C. Activate it and run. Now you got it. So later you want to pass hey, SSN IT Technologies, Marthahalli, Bangalore. Then again it have the constraint because only 25 characters it can display. So if you want to give more, then you have to keep on change the widthing concept in the character. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ఫస్ట్ మనం 10 క్యారెక్టర్స్ అన్నాం. 10 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఇస్తే చూపించేసింది. 10 క్యారెక్టర్స్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఇస్తే ఏం చేయాలి? మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళి విట్టింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ని మార్చుకోవాలి. సో అలా మనం ఎన్నిసార్లు డేటాని ఎక్స్ట్రా ఇస్తున్నామో అన్ని టైమ్స్ అని రాసుకుంటూ ఉండాలి. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్, కమెంట్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. Declare next data gv name type string and comment. Control greater than symbol. Yeah. First, don't give that entire ZV name. Remove that in the quotations. Quotations. Remove that. Hey, hi, Vishwanath Reddy. That remove that. Just give same new SSN 90. Okay. Activate it and show. Activate and run the program. See SSNIT. But here what I am taken? I am taken it is as type string. Come back, come back, add SSNIT technologies. SSNIT technologies. Activate and run. It's coming, right? Next, come back, add SSNIT technologies. Marthahalli, Bangalore. Marthahalli, Bangalore. Activate it and show. See, it's showing. So when I give an SSN90, new SSN90, maybe it is 10 characters it's taking, I'm just thinking. But next when I given technologies also it's showing. When I given that Marthahalli Bangalore also it's taking. If you say Karnataka and Asia like that, if you are expanding the data also it is coming. You no need of increasing the memory. You are not changed anything, right? You are just passing the data, it's expanding based on that. It doesn't have any fixed limit. It is variable length. Means based on the data what you are assigned, it's going to increase automatically. That's the reason this comes under variable length. సో ఏం చెప్పామ్మా క్యారెక్టర్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఏమో 10 క్యారెక్టర్స్ తీసుకున్నా మళ్ళీ 25 తీసుకున్నా బట్ స్టిల్ మారుతూ ఉందంటే అది ఆ పని చేయట్లేదు. బట్ అదే స్ట్రింగ్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, సో ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఫస్ట్ 10 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఇచ్చినా తీసుకుంది, 25 ఇచ్చినా తీసుకుంది, ఇంకా పెంచినా తీసుకుంటుంది. సో స్ట్రింగ్ అనేది డెఫినెట్ లెంగ్త్ లేదు, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ హౌ మచ్ డేటా నువ్వు అసైన్ చేస్తున్నావో అలా పెరుగుతూ పోతూ ఉంటుంది. దట్స్ ద రీజన్ దిస్ కమ్స్ అండర్ వేరియబుల్ లెంగ్త్. క్లియర్ మా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about variable length. There is no limitation. You can keep on passing the data. But character. So what is the initial value of character? Space. Now go back. Yeah, comment the ZV name. Comment that line. Just keep the cursor and no, comment it. Comment it. Control Z. Control Z. No. Only for ZV name. Control Z you do. It will come the previous value. Control Z. Control Z. Again. Control Z. So that you will get that previous whatever you did it. Okay, if it is not coming, you can write later and comment it. ZV name, just comment it. Keep the cursor control less than, it will comment that line. Control less than.
Ma'am, it's not coming, ma'am.
Why?
I don't know.
Go and keep star at the starting. Starting ZV name before. Keep the star. Your server is also slow, maybe. Keep the star at the starting. Now activate it. Now run the program. Okay. What is that initial value of string? Same space. Like character, string also initial value is space. String is nothing but collection of characters. Okay, ma? So then why when to go for character, when to go for string? So both are the same, right? So when to go for character, when to go for string. When you have fixed length, then go for the character. If you have, so there is no definite length, at that time you can go for string. For example, in your application, when you are filling your first name, middle name, last name, they will be giving any n number of characters. No, they'll give only 15 boxes to give the first name, 15 boxes for to fill the middle name, 15 boxes to fill the last name, right? One box can fill one letter. So at that time, you are going to take that first name, last name, middle name as character of length 15. But at the end, you have a comment box where you can write how many comments you want. In your online application, if you see, you can give the comments. Some people will simply write yes, good, bad, like that. Some people will write so many sentences. This is like that. I reach out from so and so. It is happened like this. Then I got this and all like that. They will write the comments. You can't restrict. Some people will give less comments, some people will give more comments. At that time, when you don't know, then you can choose it as a type string. Clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So then we'll go for the next data type, which is F. F for float. So how it is going to store the number? Just uncomment the float one. Control greater than phone comment. Yeah. So first don't give that much bigger number. Remove that. No, no, no. Don't give that much bigger number. Only give 123 initially. Okay. Activate it. 1, 2, 3, 4 he given. Okay. We declared as type F means float, and 1, 2, 3, 4 we given in that. And when you run it, how it is displaying, you can see that 1.234 e to the power of 03, e to the power of exponential format it's showing. What is exponential format? Means 10 to the power of 03. 1.234 into 10 to the power of 3 means what is the meaning of 3? 10 to the power of 3, 10 into 10 into 10.
1,000.
Times you have to multiply the 10. 3 times if you are multiplying the 10, then it will be 1000. 1000 into 1.234 means
1,
1234
2, 3, 4.
000. So means 1234 is the number. So whatever I'm giving the number, it's going to store in the exponential format. If you are giving the bigger number also, it's going to store up to the 10 to the power of 99. That much bigger number it can store. Just go back and increase the number. Give like little two more digits or something like that. Yeah. And activate and show. Now you can see 10 to the power of 08, correct? So the bigger number if you are choosing also, still it's storing as 10 to the power of. So it is how much bigger number you can give? 10 to the power of 99. Up to that much bigger number you can give. So that is the use of float. For example, you'll have the salary. Salary can be taken as float. No, right? You'll have fixed. You will be having 10 lakhs or 10 crores like that. You will have the fixed length. At that time, you can choose the currencies with the fixed length. Donation I'm asking. Donation can be given 10 rupees also, 10 lakhs also, 10 crores also. If someone is very bigger, they can give big amount also. You can't say this much digits only, right? At that time, you can choose the float. So when there is no definite length, at that time we can go for float. Float is going to show the data in the exponential format. Up to the 10 to the power of 99, that much bigger number can be stored in the float. Is it clear, ma? ఫ్లోట్ అని తీసుకుంటే ఏం చేస్తుంది, మనం ఒక నెంబర్ని ఇస్తే దాన్ని ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ ఫార్మాట్లో స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ ఫార్మాట్ అంటే ఏంటి, 10 to the power of లో స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది. మనం ఒక 124 1234 అనే నెంబర్ ఇస్తే దాన్ని 1.234 ఇంటూ 10 to the power of 3 అని స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ఇంకా బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ ఇస్తే 10 to the power of 10, 10 to the power of 99, అంత బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ వరకు మనం స్టోర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దట్స్ ద రీజన్ దిస్ ఇస్ కమ్స్ అండర్ వేరియబుల్ లెంగ్త్. If you are having integer, if you are giving more than 10 digit number, then you have to increase the width. But when it comes to the float, if you have more width also, system won't make it automatically into the float. That's the reason no need of increasing the width in case of float. Clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the reason string and float both are going to come under the variable length. There is no fixed length for this. You can give how much you want. It can occupy. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
So with this, I finish the standard in that fixed length and the variable length. But you have user defined, right? What is user defined? You can refer to the table name hyphen field name, or you can refer to the data element directly. So open one table ma, go to slash o s11 slash o s11. Give any table,
No, ma'am.
any table which you already created, Z
No,
student info or anything is there?
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You don't have?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
no need of custom tables only. You can take it from standard table also. Open VBAK. VBAK, that is there. VBAP. Yeah. Display. Okay. You can see here, from here also I can take the whatever the data type I want. For example, I want numeric of 6. I can refer to the data element. What is the data element for POSNR? See third field, highlight it. Third field, highlight it. Means select that row. Select that row. POSNR before that one box is there. You can select on that. Left POSNR. Left, 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 left. POSNR name is there. Before that one box, select it. That box, yeah. Okay, this is how we'll highlight. Okay, POSNR is there. For that, we have the data element called POSNR underscore VA. We can refer to this data element or table name hyphen field name. Means table name is VBAP hyphen POSNR. Now go to the program. Go to the program. Already it is there. You can just go to the down, see the SAP symbol, keep the cursor. Yeah, left. Yeah, comment it. Create one more data. Okay, data. ZV num type POSNR POSNR underscore VA underscore VA. So this is the data element. Full stop. Enter. ZV_num equal to 123. Full stop. Write ZV_num. Full stop. Activate and run. So what it is taken? POSNR of 6 digit of numeric. You can see Alt tab, Alt press tab. Yeah, you can see POSNR, which is numC of 6, means numeric of 6. I passed 123, so it is taking preceding 3 zeros and 123. Alt tab, Alt tab. Yeah, so this is how it is taken. So the data type and length will be taken from the table. This is how you can refer user defined. Come back. Now keep the double quotation before POSNR. Double quotes. Yeah. Now before double quotes write. Before double quotes write space. Yeah. VBAP hyphen. No, not underscore. Hyphen. No. POSNR. POSNR. Full stop. Activate it and run. Still, it is taking the same numeric of 6. Means what I can do? I can refer to the data element directly, or I can refer to the table name hyphen field name, so that it's going to take the data type and length from the table. ఇజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? యూజర్ డిఫైన్డ్ అంటే ఏం లేదు మా ఇప్పుడు దాకా మనం టేబుల్స్లో కొన్ని డేటా టైప్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాం. క్యారెక్టర్, నమ్, డిఏటిఎస్, టిఐఎంఎస్, డిఏసి, సియుఆర్ఆర్, సియుకేవై, క్యూఏఎన్, యూనిట్, సిఎల్ఎన్టి అని చెప్పి. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ దట్ డేటా టైప్ అండ్ లెంగ్త్, మీకు ఆ డేటా టైప్ లెంగ్త్ కావాలి అనుకుంటే జస్ట్ రెఫర్ టు ద డేటా ఎలిమెంట్ ఆర్ రెఫర్ టు ద టేబుల్ నేమ్ హైఫన్ ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్. ఏం చేయొచ్చు? డైరెక్ట్గా డేటా ఎలిమెంట్ని రెఫర్ చేయొచ్చు. లేదు అంటే టేబుల్ నేమ్ హైఫన్ ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్తో రెఫర్ చేస్తే ఆ టేబుల్లో ఆ ఫీల్డ్కి ఏదైతే డేటా టైప్ లెంగ్త్ ఉందో అది మన వేరియబుల్కి అసైన్ చేస్తుంది. ఇన్ ద టేబుల్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ డేటా టైప్ అండ్ లెంగ్త్, that will be assigned to our variable, the data type and length. Clear? This is
Yes.
about user
Yes, ma'am.
defined. Okay, fine. Then with this, I finished all the declarations of variable. Can you try for all the declarations with constants? Same. Take integer, give the default value. Take the character, give the default value. Numeric with the default value, because constants require the default values, right? So then date, default date. Time, default time. Packed decimal, default decimal places. And then string also you can take and define that definite value. And the float also you can just take, but you need to give it in the exponential format, the default value. So like this, you can use all the data types, even the user defined data types also. Yes, I'm referring the constant to the POSNR, and then I'm giving the default value as 123. Yes, you can do that. So only the difference is here data keyword I'm using for variable. There you'll use the constants keyword, constant name type, data type. Means all these data types are allowed for constant also. Whatever we learn up to now for variable, that and all applicable for constant also. But here later point of view, you are passing the value GV num or GV name or GV percentage equal to so and so value. But in the constant, at the time of declaration itself, you're going to pass the value. That's the only difference. Constant means it is fixed value for the entire program. Variable can vary from one place to another place. Is it clear? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you have the document, sir, which I shared with you.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next class document also with you or only this?
Next class.
17th class also there.
Yeah.
Open that. So what is there in the 17th class? User defined. Just now I covered the user defined. Any questions on variable and constant creation, ma? Any
No, ma'am.
questions on variable or constant? No. Okay, fine, good. Then we are going for the next. Conditional statements. What is this conditional statements? If condition satisfied, then only do something. If I want to say, then we are going to use this conditional statements. For that, how to write? The first conditional statement is if condition and if. In between that, you can write anything. If the condition is satisfied, then it will go inside the if and if, and it will execute that piece of code and comes out. If the condition failed, then it won't go inside the if and if. సో ఏం చెప్తున్నామ్మా ఇక్కడ? సో కండిషనల్ స్టేట్మెంట్ నాకు ఇది కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితేనే ఇది చేయి అని చెప్పడానికి కండిషనల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ యూస్ చేస్తాం. దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ సింటాక్స్ వచ్చి ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ అండ్ ఇఫ్. సో ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ అనేది సాటిస్ఫై అయితేనే అండ్ ఇఫ్ లోపల ఉండే కోడ్ పీస్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ ట్రిగర్ అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ కండిషన్ ఫెయిల్ అయితే అసలు లోపలికే వెళ్ళదు. We'll write simple example and we'll see. Yeah, go to the program and copy that example, sir, which I already given there under if statement. Copy and paste it and activate. No. Copy అవ్వలేదనుకుంటున్నా.
మ్యామ్ కాపీ అవ్వదు మేడం, ఎందుకంటే సర్వర్ అంటే సపరేట్.
వేరేనా? ఓకే ఫైన్, నేను చెప్తా ఉంటాను. టైప్ చేసేయండి అయితే క్విక్గా. సో ప్రీవియస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కమెంట్ చేసేయండి. డేటా జీవీ నమ్ టైప్ ఐ పీరియడ్. ఓకే, జీవీ నమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10. 10 period. Next, if space gvnum less than means less than symbol, you know, right? Space less than symbol, yeah, space 15. Just give the 15 number. Period. Enter. 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 One more enter. End if. So always we need to write if end if, and inside that you can, no, end if is continuation, no gap. End and if will be continuation, no gap. Yeah. So once you written if and if, inside that you can fill so that you won't miss the nested. Yeah. Inside that write keyword, space, quotation start, smaller number, quotation end, period. Okay. Then after end if press enter. After end if press enter. Write, write, program ended. In quotations, program ended. Period. Then activate it. Run the program. What is the output? Smaller number, program ended. Means come back. Why it is getting the both? Come back and check. ZV num value is 10. Correct? What you are checking the condition? ZV num less than 15. 10 less than 15? Yes. Condition satisfied. So it went inside the if and if. It is showing the smaller number and then it is coming out and showing the program ended. So both are coming because the condition is satisfied. It went inside. Correct? సో ఏం జరిగింది ఇక్కడ డేటా జీవీ నమ్ టైప్ ఐ తీసుకున్నాం అంటే ఇంటీజర్ దాంట్లో మన వాల్యూ వచ్చి 10 అని ఇచ్చాము ఇప్పుడు కండిషన్ చెక్ చేస్తున్నాం 10 అనేది 15 కన్నా చిన్నదా కాదా ఎస్ కరెక్ట్ చిన్నది కాబట్టి లోపలికి వెళ్ళింది కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయింది కాబట్టి లోపల వెళ్ళింది లోపల ఏముంది స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ సో అది ప్రింట్ చేసింది తర్వాత ఎండిఫ్ తర్వాత వచ్చి రైట్లో ఏముంది ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎండెడ్ సో కాబట్టి స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎండెడ్ రెండు కూడా అవుట్పుట్లో వచ్చాయి కరెక్టా
Yes.
ఎస్
Yes, ma'am.
నౌ చేంజ్ దట్ నంబర్ మా 100 no keep the condition as it is. Don't change the condition. Keep it 15. ZV num value, make it as 100. Yeah, activate it now. Now run it and see the output. What is the output? Only program ended. You got the smaller number? No. Why you are not got? Come back and check the condition. Now, ZV num value is 100. 100 is less than 15? No, condition got failed. So, what happened? It is not going to the inside of if and if because it is not gone inside the condition failed, so it is not gone inside. So, that's the reason smaller number it is not showing in the output. Only program ended it is showing. Is it clear, ma? ఇప్పుడు వాల్యూ ఏముంది 100 ఉంది 100 అనేది 15 కన్నా చిన్నదా కండిషన్ చెక్ చేస్తుంది కండిషన్ ఏమైంది ఫెయిల్ అయింది ఎందుకంటే 100 అనేది బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ కండిషన్ ఫెయిల్ అయింది కాబట్టి అది ఇఫ్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ లోపల పోలేదు కాబట్టి మనకి రైట్ స్మాలర్ నంబర్ అనేది రాలేదు కరెక్టా ఓన్లీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎండెడ్ మాత్రమే వచ్చింది క్లియర్
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about how you will check the conditional statement. If is the conditional statement, the condition satisfied, then it will go inside. If the condition failed, it won't go inside. So by seeing the output, I can understand that, okay, smaller number is coming means the condition satisfied. Smaller number is not coming means the condition is failed. Like that, I can see the output and analyze. But here, very simple program so that you can analyze like that. If you have like a thousands of code in the 200 line, you have the if condition. At the end, if will be at the like a thousand 200 will be if your if condition and at the end if will be at the 1000 and in between you have lot of statements by seeing the output can you guess that whether the condition is satisfied or not
No, ma'am.
we can't guess it at that time then what to do we have to debug the program what is meant by debugging So while execution, what it is doing, it is running that entire program and showing the output. But while running the program, I want to see the step by step execution, each and every line, how it is executing. That I want to see. That is called debugging. సో ఇక్కడేమో సింపుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కాబట్టి అవుట్పుట్ని చూసేసి జస్ట్ ఈ కండిషన్ ఫెయిల్ అయింది, ఈ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయిందని చెప్పగలుగుతాం. బట్ మనకి లెంగ్తీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇఫ్ అనేది ఏ 500 లైన్ దగ్గర, ఎండ్ ఇఫ్ అనేది 1000 లైన్ దగ్గర ఉంది అంటే సో అవుట్పుట్ని చూసి గెస్ చేయలేం. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు? డీబగ్గింగ్ చేయాలి. డీబగ్గింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? F8 అని ప్రెస్ చేస్తే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి రన్ చేసేసి అవుట్పుట్ చూపిస్తుంది. బట్ ఆ రన్ చేసేటప్పుడు బ్యాక్ ఎండ్లో స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఎలా రన్ చేస్తుంది అని నేను చూడాలి అనుకుంటున్నాను. దాన్నే ఏమంటున్నారు? డీబగ్గింగ్ అంటారు. Then how to go for debugging? Debugging is very important concept for the developer, because how much debugging you know, that much easily you can write the code. Okay, so debugging is very very important. So what is debugging? How to go for debugging? These and all the rules and regulations, how to go, how to do that, that I'll show you in the tomorrow's class, because my system it is not there. If I'm explaining also, that is difficult for him to explain in that. That's the reason I'll show you in the tomorrow's class. Okay ma? Debugging concept. So thanks for the sharing, sir.
No issues, ma'am.
Yeah. So any more questions, let me know. Otherwise, we can wind up and we can meet tomorrow. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, fine. Then I'm taking silence as no questions. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.